Hello! In today's video you will see the unboxing of the homebrew mesh tun from the company Royal Catering. The last time I brewed my own beer at home was about 2 years ago, so it's a high time to do it again and surprise my family and friends with the taste of the homemade beer. Until now I have brewed beer in the large 50-liter pot and it took me the most of the day, so I'm looking forward to using a semi-automatic homebrew mesh tun for the first time. This material is not sponsored in any way, and all opinions about this product are just my subjective feelings. I invite you to the video. The package includes lower and upper sieves, a few spare gaskets and the small parts that we will use later, a lid from the main tank, a sieve tank, and at the end we take the main tank and the central tube out of the package. Before starting our home brewery for the first time, we need to assemble all the equipment. We start by installing the drain tap. To do this, we put it through a special prepared hole and screw it on with a nut on the other side. Then thread the sieve onto the tap thread. All connections are screwed by hand without the use of tools, so we don't damage any parts. The next step is to assemble the central tube with the sieves. Unscrew the tubes in designated places and install the sieves between them. 2 pins are screwed into the upper sieve, which will make it easier for us to remove the sieve from the tank. When the central tube with the sieves is folded, we put the sieve tank into the main tank and then put the sieve set inside. Then we assemble the handle that will help us take out all the internal elements in total. The next step is to close everything with the lid and fit the overflow tube. After assembling, all equipment should look like in the video. Today, I will not discuss any functions of this device because in the next week I will test it and then I will record a video for you on how to make the best beer in the world at home. If you like the video, please leave the thumbs up and a comment. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel.